Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today in this video I will tell you the basic command that you will use for the deployment. This video is specially for the basics for the command, and the next video I will tell you how to deploy the simple PHP project on server, how to set up the server, how install PHP, how install PHP how install MySQL, and how deploy the project on that server, and how create the virtual host, and how ping your domain to the server. Your means you can how you will connect your domain with that server. Okay. Now let's get started. First command is how you can log in your server. The command is this. In this command, you can see SSH. What is the meaning of SSH? SSH is command for secure login. Root. Root is your server username. Then IP address 38.242.223.28. This is the IP address of your server. Okay. After enter, server required password. Now let me enter the password here. After enter the password, I am successfully logged in here. Okay. After login, I can see the username of this server. I know what is the username because without username you can't log in, but that is the command that system provides us to check who am I. The command is who am I. System return root. It means this logged in username is root. Okay. The next command is ls and ls minus l. Okay, the both are the same command. The but the difference is ls is just show the file and directory in the current folder, and ls minus l show the detailed information about each file and directory. Okay, now let me open cd/var. Var is the directory, and now let me enter the ls here. You can see here it returned me the directory's name, not give the detailed information of these directories. Now I will enter the ls. Now you can see it return the complete information of the each directory. In this you can in this output you can see the permission, who can read, write and execute. Okay, number of links, honor and group, file size, last modified date time, and file directory name. Okay, the next command is apt. Apt stand for advanced package tool. It is a package manager used in Debian-based Linux distribution like Ubuntu. Right now I am using the Ubuntu server. Okay, I have installed the Ubuntu. You use it to install, update, upgrade or remove the software. Here you can use to go back cd. Okay, now I will write apt update. This command is used to update the package list. If I will write here upgrade, this command is used to upgrade all the installed packages. Apt install, this command is used to install the package, and same like apt remove, this command is used to remove the package. What is sudo? Sudo means super user. Okay, some commands need administrative privileges. If you run apt without sudo, you will usually get a permission denied error because normal user cannot install or remove software. That's why you need to use the keyword sudo with your command. Suppose you want to install the Git. I will write here sudo apt install Git. The process has been started. Now you can see the message here. Git is already the newest version. Git is already installed here. Now I can see the package here. Which version is here? Git dash dash version. This command we will use to check the version. Here you can see it return me git version 2.34.1. Same like I will try to install git sudo apt install curl. Curl is installed or not. You can see check like this command curl dash dash version. Here you can see curl 7.8.81.0. Okay, you can install any package by using this command sudo apt install. Okay, this is the default command sudo apt install, and after the install you will write your package name. Okay, now next is what is apt and apt-get. Apt and apt-get. Basically, both apt and apt-get do similar things. Apt is a newer user-friendly command with better output for humans, while apt-get is older and still in use because it is very stable. In the next video, I will explain you how you can deploy the simple PHP app on your server. Thank you so much. Bye bye.